Meet the AJAZZ AK820 Pro. Compact, clean, and ready to work. Solid build, smooth finish, premium feel from every angle. The smart mini display shows everything: battery, mode, and more. Triple connection modes. Switch between USB, Bluetooth, Mac, or Windows ready. Dedicated knob for instant volume control. Smooth and precise. Hot swappable with blue mechanical switches for that satisfying click. Crisp, clicky, and seriously fun to type on. Customizable RGB with stunning presets. It lights up your setup. Seamlessly switch between laptop, tablet, or phone with just one click. The AJAZZ AK820 Pro, the keyboard your setup's been waiting for.